US dollar, I guess, probably skyrocketing. Yeah, look at that. Went up to this our 2.618 level. And also, yeah, just our 2.618 level. Tagged it, reversing a bit. Still needs to go to that 112. Some kind of divergence forming. That's what that 9 is up here. Looks bullish on the daily. Definitely bullish. Go a bit lower time frame. 4 hour. It looks like it wants higher. Definitely wants higher. But got to be careful because the S&P is so oversold. We could get a bit of a pullback in the dollar first, small rally in the S&P, and then a move higher here. Yeah, and then we got a 7 on the 1 hour. Definitely looks like a possible pullback for more upside to hit that final target at 41 at 1112. Not a surprise that the dollar is super strong here, considering the rest of the market. You know, we have breached all-time highs, so that's a big deal. All right, that's US dollar. No, I don't want to look at Thai baht. Gold. Let's look at gold. Gold dumped hard. Gold really fell apart here, and I think I talked about this on last week's daily brief, and I put a target of 69.92 was my target, and you can see we went to 1692 was my target, and we went to 1689 basically. Surprised they didn't go lower and take out these lows at 1680. Maybe they still will, but gold totally retraced after breaking down from this channel, and now it's in a new channel. We completed the ABCD, and we've got our new parallel channel right here, like this. I think if I can draw it correctly. Go lower time frame. Like that. And like this. So you can see how it tagged the bottom of that channel. All right, very interesting how it perfectly tagged that. Yeah, perfect tag. And this was your midpoint, often acted as a support level and a resistance. Perfectly tagged the bottom, and now we're reversing. But as long as we're in this downtrend, we're not going to have any significant moves higher. Come out to 1711, roll over again, or can even push to as high as 1730 before it then rolls over again. I've got no trade on gold here. I mean, I should have taken it down here, 1690, when we were right below that, and I could have set a tight stop. But crazy day, like I said, and I don't like trading on my phone. I think, oftentimes if I trade on my phone, I seem to make more mistakes. I'm not sure why, but something about that tiny screen messes me up. What happens next with gold? Do we have any shorter time frame setups? Well, we got a 1 hour. We got a 9 that came in. So, it looks like it's trying to bottom. Could probably get a bounce, small bounce up to this 1710 area, 1712. I would hope for a retrace down here, back down. Maybe it even slides to that 1680 we talked about. But other than that, I don't have any significant trades with gold. I just think it's extremely bearish. Further downside probably expected. You can play bounces if you want and then short it again. I don't see anything that positive. So, I guess I'm bullish in the short term on the US dollar, bearish on gold, although we are reaching some kind of bottoming area. I think the majority of the move is already completed over the last couple of days. Now we're just waiting for it to, kind of put in some market structure before we can hunt some half decent trades. Right now, I just don't have anything, unfortunately.